Hello and welcome to another set of videos. Today, what I have in front of you is the Casio ClassWiz 991 CW. That's the latest in the ClassWiz series. I thought I should make some videos to help you use the calculator better. This video specifically is about using the calculator for normal distribution. Okay, so as those of you who are studying normal distribution recognize the symbol phi. So let's say you want to read out the value of phi of minus 0.06. Okay, what do you do on your calculator? Now, so some of you, the calculator may be in this default mode called calculate. What you do is you press this home button. Okay, that opens up this entire thing, and then you have distribution over here. Okay, you go into distribution, you go into normal CD. Okay, that's how you would read the alternate of reading the table. Basically, you're trying to read the table. For lower, you can plug in any value, plug in a minus 10. Honestly, you could take any value from -3 onwards, up to -10 it would work. -10 is just a benchmark that I've created for myself. And you scroll, you press OK, you come down to this, you insert your desired value. So let's say you want to calculate the value of minus 0.06. Okay, we let the last two remain as it is. Mu is 0 and sigma is 1, and you execute. Okay, and you execute. Okay, so that gives you 0.4761. Okay, I could do this for any other value as well. Let's say I wanted to calculate this, so I would go back. Again, I would have this as minus 10. I would now have this as 2.63. Okay, and then I could go on and press execute. Okay, so that would give me 0.9957. Okay, that is the table reading. I hope this video was useful for you. Make sure you watch the rest of the series as well for more videos on how to use your 991 CW calculator. Hello and welcome back. This is another video on how to use your calculator for normal distributions. Okay, let's say you have now normal distributions in this format for normal distribution. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to just check your answers. So you want to calculate the probability of z less than 1.62. So what do? You know that this translates to phi of 1.62, but you honestly don't need to do all of that. You can again go to your calculators. Now your calculators should be in this home mode right now. Okay, you go to distribution again. Okay, you go to normal CD. Okay, I have these numbers typed here. I could erase them for you. Okay, hello and welcome to another video for using your ClassWiz calculator 991 CW. What I have again for you are some questions on normal distribution. This is the normal distribution that's defined for you. Okay, for those of you who are doing A-level math, you would probably want to solve this question. Okay, so you would first go on and say that this is phi of 1.62. By my objective for this video is not to tell you how to calculate phi of 1.62. I'm just telling you how to calculate your answers directly. So again, what you do is you go to home, you go to distribution, you go to normal CD. Okay, and let's erase these numbers. I don't know why they're here. Okay, so you have these numbers. What you want to calculate is z less than 1.62, which means that your upper boundary is 1.62. You plug that in. Okay. what is your lower boundary? If no lower boundary is available, you just plug in -10 and you get your answer. You see that your mu is 0 and your standard deviation is 1. So you go down and just execute, and this should give you your final answer. That's 0.9473 8 or 74 for that matter. Okay. The next one is calculating z greater than 0.76. So you again go to your calculator. Now this time you have a lower boundary, your upper boundary is missing. So you plug in 0.76 here. You want to calculate probabilities of 0.76 and values greater than 0.76. Okay, so that's what we're trying to do. So what is the upper boundary then? The upper boundary has to be something around 10. And it's just a benchmark number again. You could use anything above 4. That would give you the same answer. Okay, I can show you with 4 as well. It would give you the same answer. Okay, let's show you 4. Okay, so then you have my z less than minus 1.32. So you plug in minus 1.32 as your upper boundary. You take -10 as your lower boundary. Okay, and you press execute. So you get 0.9342. Okay, then in this case you have both upper boundaries and lower boundaries. So -1.2 and 1.7. Okay, so you have 0.8404. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another video on normal distribution shortly. Please watch the space.